Hello friend, how are you today? I hope you enjoy today. In the previous video, I just show you Smart Track Intelligent Flight with track mode. Now I will show you Smart Track in profile mode. There is a little difference between track mode and profile mode that I got in my test this time. For more detail, let's watch my video. Don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Smart Track profile. Go. Okay. Okay. This is profile Smart Track, and the drone fly and follow my car. This is my speed up, and drone still follow. Drone still follow, my friend. Drone still follow. Speed up and speed up. And drone still follow. Okay. The drone still follow. You can see the drone still follow, my friend. And speed up. Okay. The drone still follow my car. Naikin yuk. Smart Track profile. Oke. Go. Yo. Oke, the drone.
Rekam.
Oke, you see the drone backward. My car. Lihat drone-nya.
Yes.
Drone still backward.
Ya mundur pelan ya.
Ya.
Hati-hati. Dia nanti ngelas.
Sit.
Lost connect.
Lost connection ya.
Lost. Matiin.
Udah matiin. Nah.
Lost koneksi. Kok nggak bisa mundur? Ya, dia nggak mau. Mundur Pak.
Ya. Backward.
Pak, maju sendiri ya. Maju sendiri Pak. Maju sendiri.
Sendiri.
Iya nih. Iya maju ke sana. Situ. Tadi pas mundur langsung zoom.
Bismillah. Bedanya apa coba?
Untuk Anda Pak Pengemudi luar biasa.
Okay, Smart Track Profile. Smart Track Profile. Bapak lihat ya, Smart Track Profile. This different between Smart Track Trace and
Hop, berhenti.
Loss ya?
Transmission saat loss.
Loss. Smart Trace Profile. Go. Go. This profile, Smart Track Profile, Smart Trace Profile. It still go. And how about if I turn the right? If I turn the right, this cannot rest. So on the profile only for the track straight track. Now you know what is the difference between Smart Track Trace mode and Smart Track Profile mode. In the Trace mode, drone always follow the target, even though the target turns left or turns right. But in the profile mode, the drone trace the target only on straight track. In the next video, I will show you Smart Track in lock mode. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video can help you. See you again and bye.